As the son of a trial lawyer, I looked up to my father. He was my hero. I'd see the relationships that he built with the clients and the respect that he had in the community, and it was definitely something that I looked up to. As a kid, I always had a job, and I worked in the hospitality industry, whether that was a grocery store or a hotel. In hospitality school, I was just more than excited to take what I had learned and marry that with the legal industry that had been antiquated. I've heard some old lawyers say that this would be a great line of work if it weren't for the clients. To me, I'm thinking that's what this is all about.
A lawyer's duty is to make sure to take care of his client. When we first started working together, we'd sit down and talk about things, and I think he has a great work ethic.
I started Garvin Injury Law because I wanted to put my courtroom trial experience together with the client care experience that I'd learned in the hospitality industry. And I knew that I could do it. I think seeing a client who's satisfied, nothing beats that.
We were riding our bicycles back from the Shrimp Festival down at Fort Myers Beach, and we crossed the intersection at Summerlin. In the crosswalk, I got hit by a car going 40 or 50 miles per hour. And then I was in a coma for 6 days, and I lost a lot of blood. And in the process, my optic nerves have died, and so I have no connection between my eyes and my brain, and therefore I'm totally blind.
After 6 days, we had over $500,000 in hospital bills, and they wanted me to sign paperwork that if we received any kind of settlement, that it would all go to the hospital, and they could possibly take some of our property. Something inside me said, don't sign it right now. You're not an expert at this. Go find help. And that's when I reached out to my attorney friends in Ohio who got me to Garvin Injury Law. I came to visit and instantly knew that this was the place that I needed to be. It felt like I was home.
The experience with his firm was one of the best things that we were involved with after the accident. Once I started doing something that was going to be my future for a while in building clocks, he got one of my original clocks as a memento and a gift for everything that he did for us.
To be able to meet someone at one of the lowest points of their life, help them problem solve, learn enough about them to be able to tell their story, and watch as they make the medical, physical, mental recovery, really there's nothing more meaningful than that in my book. We've got to help our clients not just leave them with a check at the end of the day, but they need to see that there is a light at the end of the tunnel, and if they can't see it now, well, we can see it because we've helped people who've been in their similar shoes in the past. Our goal is to get to know our clients as if it was a family member. Our goal is to have our clients feel like this is a second family to them. If you or a family member has suffered a serious injury or the loss of a loved one, give us a call at Garvin Injury Law. Together, we can get through this.